Top 5 Best Camping Gadgets and Innovation. 1. Tire Table Vehicle Tire. The table can be used on all 4 tires, including an exposed rear spare tire. 2. Bluetooth Key Finder. No stress mornings. It is Monday morning, you are running late, and now you cannot find your keys. Make getting out of the door easier and less stressful with Rhinex Bluetooth Key Finder. 3. Pure Sine Wave Inverter Charger. Configurable input voltage range and battery charging current. LCD and LED display used to view inverter status and programming features. 4-stage battery charger, 8 preset battery voltages including lithium, user-defined option available. 4. Lawson Hammock Blue Ridge Camping Hammock. By Backpacker, Outside and American Survival Guide. Winner of the prestigious Gear of the Year award. Hammock and a tent in one, patented design with a unique arch pole/spreader bar system. 5. Optoma S334E SVGA Bright Professional Projector. Picture quality, designed for meeting rooms, classrooms, and other small medium-sized rooms, the S334E provides vibrant and sharp, clear text and graphics enabled by its SVGA resolution, 800x600, and 22,000:1 contrast ratio. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.